Hello, my name is Rithik, and today I'm going to teach you how to round a number to the nearest hundred. Now to do this, you first need to know the units of a number. So this is the example number 2873. Now to find the units, you have to look at the first number. The first number is unit. Second number 10. Third number is 100, and the last number 1000. Now we're mainly going to be focusing on the 100 and the tens today. So now the rules of rounding to nearest hundred is easy. If it is 5 or over, then you must round up. If this is less than 5, then you have to keep it the same but round it up. Now I'll tell you what this all means in the example question. Now say you had a number like 283. First, to round this to the nearest hundred, you have to look at the 100 and the tens and put a line in the middle. Now you look if the tens is 5 or over. Now we know that 8 is over than 5, so we add 1 to 2, so you round up. But also we have to turn the tens into a 0. We also have to turn the number before it into a 0 as well. So we just add 1 to 2, so it's 3, so it's 300. Now, if we had a number like 241, to round this to the nearest hundred, we would first have to find the 100 and tens, these two, and put a line through them. Then we have to see if the tens is bigger than 5 or less than 5. We have 4 is less than 5, so we keep 2 the same, but we do still turn 4 into a 0 and the number before that into a 0, so 200. Now on to some more example questions. Okay, now this is one of our example questions. To round this to the nearest 100, we have to find the 100 and the 10. So the 100 is 9 and the 10 is 7. So to put a line in the middle of them. Then we check if the 10 is bigger than 5, if it is 5 or bigger than 5, or whether it's less than 5. We know that it is bigger than 5, so we add 1 to 100. And then we also turn the tens into a 0. So now you see that 1 plus 9 is 10. So if we put a number here, we also have to add that 1 from the 10 to the number that's after it. So that will become a 2. And then again we turn the 2 into a 0 as well. So it's 2000. Okay, now this is our next question. So we have to find which number is 100 and tens again. So 7 is the 100 and 4 is the tens. So we put a line in the middle of them. Then we see whether the 10 is bigger than 5 or less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So we keep 7 the same, and then we turn 4 into a 0, and we also turn 1 into a 0. But we keep the 1 same and put that there. So 1700. Now on to another example question. Now our next number is 3152. So again, to round this to the nearest 100, we have to find the 110 and put a line through the middle of them. Now 5, if it's 5, then we add 1 and then we turn this into a 0, just like what you do if it's bigger than 5. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and then we turn the 2 into a 0, and then we keep the 3. Now on to our last question. Okay, so this is our last question. Now to round this to the nearest 100, again we have to find 110, put a line through the middle of them. Now because it's 5, we have to add 1 here. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So again we have to add 1 here as well. So this will become 5. And 1 plus 9 is 10. So you just put the 0 here. And then the 5 becomes a 0. And the 1 also becomes a 0. Now this was the last question. I hope you learned something new today. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.